What the? She's swinging when she shouldn't. But hello guys, and I'm gonna be checking out my kids because I don't know what the heck they're doing. Can you help me? I'm so beautiful. Oh, I hear music. Okay, I'm just gonna go. Y'all guys, get in here! Like, why do I got something? I got the tennis. See? Got it.
Daddy said we have to go in. You look like an old lady. Hello there. Hey, Logan. Get away from the camera.
Y'all guys need to go to bed. Lay down and I'll take you in.
Stop, Lucas. You gotta take off your glasses. You're gonna break it. Spidey kid. Nobody beat her. Whoa. Lay down. I'm putting the glasses up.
Stop fighting, kids. Take off your shoes.
You didn't wear shoes.
Yeah, I know.
Spidey baby, Spidey baby. Yeah, bye baby. Look at my eye. I'm cute. Wait. Whoa. We go flying. What is the baby doing, Ken?
I don't know.
You should be watching her.
Okay.
I got the camera, so I get to introduce it. Come on, camera, fit on my hand. Okay, guys. I get the camera on my hand. It's here. Okay. I'm gonna come and do a makeup tutorial. This makeup, guys, I'm gonna show you the makeup first. Here's the makeup. Let me get it open. Here's the makeup. What about the do? There's really makeup in here. Seriously, guys, there is makeup. Guys, there is really makeup in here, so don't actually come to my house and use it. Maddie, if you're gonna watch this video, go ahead, I'll bring it to school. Okay. Crap. Sorry, guys. I just dropped something. Okay, so I'm going to get on my laptop and look for some pretty designs, and Daddy's probably going to let me do that. So, I'm playing this video game here. It's where you get to dress your girl. You just got to take a picture of you, and then they'll get the most closest matches to you, and you'll get to pick who you want to be, and then you get to pick a room and a background and what you want to be in there. Then you got to pick clothes, and I already picked mine. My girl is and they have their own dance. See? I've been on here all day. It's the next morning, and I'm still in my clothes. I put on my jewel because I always like wearing. And I gotta get ready for school. Lucas is still in bed, but Destiny, which is actually me, I gotta get ready and go to school. while he's in bed. So, let me get my stuff. I got my stuff. Every single thing. I'll show y'all guys right now. Okay guys, I'm going to show you guys my stuff that I have in my bag. So, here's my bag. I have a magazine book. It has stuff in it. So it says Food at Moss. So cool. So I'm going to show you guys. Can't really see it. And also there is this. It's a little booklet. I have with a little froggy. Let me look in it real quick. Few things. I did math in here. See, I did some math. If you can't see it. There. Okay, the next thing I did is this little thing I actually didn't do. It goes on it, but it came off it, and so it's a poster now. And here's my lunchbox. And also my hairbrush, because sometimes my hair gets out of order in school. So bye, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye. And comment down below. Do you think we should show you guys, you should name our dogs? We have dogs. Let me go get them. Here's our dog, Lucy. Not Lucy, Lily. Lucas. Not Lucas. Liam. And actually Lily, Liam, and Lucy. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and say the baby on here bootyful. Not boot. Boot. E4. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.